Good morning. Please, come in.
Good morning, doctor.
How are you today?
Not very well, doctor.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
I've been feeling very tired lately.
I see. How long have you felt this way?
For about 2 weeks.
Do you have any pain?
Yes, sometimes I get headaches.
Any fever or sore throat?
No fever, but my throat feels dry.
Do you sleep well at night?
Not really. I wake up several times.
Do you feel stressed recently?
Yes, I've been working long hours.
That could be part of the reason.
Maybe. I also don't eat properly.
You skip meals?
Sometimes I skip breakfast.
Breakfast is very important, Anna.
I know, but I'm always in a rush.
Do you drink enough water every day?
Maybe not. I drink mostly coffee.
Too much coffee can make you tired too.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes, caffeine gives short energy, but then you crash.
Oh, that makes sense.
Let me check your blood pressure.
Sure.
A little low.
Is that serious?
Not serious, but you need rest and good food.
Okay.
Do you exercise?
Not really. I sit all day at work.
That's not good. Try walking 20 minutes a day.
I'll try that.
Do you eat fruits and vegetables?
I eat some, but not every day.
Add more fresh fruits and green vegetables.
Okay, doctor.
Do you smoke or drink alcohol?
No, I don't.
Good. That helps your recovery.
That's good to know.
Any allergies to medicine?
No, none.
Great. I'll give you some vitamins.
Thank you.
Take 1 tablet after breakfast daily.
Got it.
And avoid junk food for a while.
I'll try my best.
How many hours do you sleep per night?
Around 5 or 6 hours.
That's not enough. You need at least 7.
I'll try to sleep earlier.
Good idea.
Doctor, can stress cause tiredness?
Absolutely. Stress affects both body and mind.
How can I reduce stress?
Exercise, deep breathing, or meditation can help.
I'll try meditation.
Excellent choice.
Should I take time off work?
A short break might help you recover faster.
Okay, maybe I'll rest this weekend.
That's a good start.
What kind of food should I eat?
Whole grains, lean meat, vegetables, and fruits.
No fast food?
Exactly. Avoid fried food and too much sugar.
Noted.
Do you drink enough water?
I'll start drinking more from today.
Perfect.
Doctor, can I go to the gym?
Light exercise is fine, but don't overdo it.
Okay, I'll go slowly.
That's the right approach.
Should I come for a checkup again?
Yes, after 2 weeks.
Same day, same time?
Yes, that works.
Great.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just 5 minutes away.
Perfect. Easy to visit.
Doctor, can low blood pressure cause dizziness?
Yes, sometimes it can.
I feel dizzy sometimes when I stand up fast.
That's normal with low pressure. Move slowly.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Do you eat enough salt?
Not much. I try to avoid it.
You can add a little salt to help pressure rise.
Oh, that's good to know.
But not too much. Balance is key.
Got it.
I'll write down some advice for you.
Thank you, doctor.
Eat well. Sleep more. Exercise daily.
Simple and clear.
Exactly. Keep your routine balanced.
I'll do my best.
Do you have any other health problems?
No, just tiredness.
Okay, let's do a blood test to be sure.
Is it painful?
Just a small prick, don't worry.
All right.
The results will be ready tomorrow.
Should I come again?
You can check online or visit.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
Can I take vitamin C as well?
Yes, that's good for your immune system.
Great.
Just don't take too many supplements.
Sure, doctor.
Also, try to relax and smile more.
I'll remember that.
A happy mind helps a healthy body.
I love that quote.
It's true. Health starts with mindset.
Thank you for your time.
You're welcome, Anna.
I already feel better after talking to you.
That's great.
I'll follow your advice.
Wonderful.
Goodbye, doctor.
Goodbye. Take care.
Thank you. You too.
Don't forget your medicine.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
Here you go.
Got it. See you soon.
See you in 2 weeks.
Bye.
Bye. Take care of your health.
I will, doctor.
Stay positive and rest well.
Sure.
Remember, health is wealth.
True words.
Have a nice day, Anna.
You too, doctor. Thanks again.